is a prank, and we will be showing you how to make this any kind of drawing that looks like it has been really, really, really old, but maybe just made like seconds ago. So, first you get a piece of paper, I don't care what size you get, and then you draw some kind of outline with a pen. You can see. I'm going to draw this time an emoji. I like the heart eyes emoji, so I'm going to draw the emoji with the heart eyes. And obviously, if you have markers, crayons, whatever, you can color it. Of course, nobody stopping you from coloring an emoji. Okay. So, now that I'm done coloring my emoji here, I'm going to cut it with scissors. So as you can see, you don't have to have a really big piece of paper. You can have a however sized piece of paper you want, and just use it. Nobody's stopping you. Now, this is very small, so it's hard to do the trick, but it should be able to do it. Now, crumble the paper up. Open it back up. Okay, my emoji's small, and I'm afraid I don't want to rip it. So now my emoji looks kind of like this. So it doesn't look really old. Make some rips. Don't rip too hard. Make some, a few. Now, since my hand's sweating anyway, it feels like wet and soft. This way, it makes it feel like it's really, really old. You can crumble it up some more. Until it's really small, and then open it back up if you can. But I'm having a hard time opening it back up. And this looks absolutely, positively old. Watch this. Literally, I just made it a minute ago, and now it looks like it was made like years ago. So that's the trick. See you next time. Bye. Say bye, Bunny Bunny. Bye. Oh, and this guy, he wants to show you his dumb taco, of course.
Not dumb.
The last episode. If you guys watched it or not, because I think I didn't even post it on there yet. Bye.